Hey there. In this quick video, I'm going to compare the Archer C64 with your Archer C6 and what are the main differences between these two. So we're going to look here on first thing first, the Wi-Fi speed. So A64 got 867 and 400 megabits. Here the same thing. So the Wi-Fi speed is the same, Wi-Fi standard also the same, range same. But here for RC6 you can have one internal antenna. Other than that, also the RC6 got better network security. Wi-Fi encryption is the same. Ethernet ports are the same. Then also buttons is better for C6. You can have also, I think you have also the power off and button for the Archer C64. I don't know. And then all the other things are a tie. I just want to make this quick video regards this, that this is important thing is that you can have more antenna and more network security, but they're kind of like similar in a way. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.